Okay, I have a brand new effect to share with you today. And for this, you need a well-shuffled deck of cards. And you can have the spectator do the mixing, actually. Now, we need the spectator to choose a card color for them. And I'll get what's left. So do you want red or black as your card color? You want red? Okay, so I'll get black. So what we'll do here is you need to come in here and randomly choose 8 red cards. Okay, so there's 6, 7, 8, and then you could even choose my black cards for me. I just need 8 of them. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we'll double check the count in just a second here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 red. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 black. Okay, very good. We'll turn those down. How would you like these stacked? Yours on top of mine? Okay, very good. Now we really should mix the cards because they're in blocks by color, right? How would you like the pile stacked? Left on right or right on left? Your choice. Right on left. Okay, we should do at least one more of those. How should we do the stacking? Left on right or right on left? Right on left again. Okay. Why don't we do a final one to just thoroughly mix these cards? Do you want left on right or right on left? Well, left on right this time. Okay, very good. Now I'll go ahead and give it something called a Charlier shuffle. And if you haven't seen this before, it's really worth learning. So I'll add a link in the description below to the Charlier shuffle. But more importantly, I need you to come in here, randomly cut the cards wherever you would like, and complete the cut. Okay, very good. Now I'm going to speak to you as the performer for just a second. What we're going to do next is something called an in-hand Gilbreth shuffle. Now the reason I'm explaining that to you is so that you know what it is. But more importantly, I'm telling you this because the choices I'm going to now offer to the spectator are genuine choices that they are free to make. So I will not be controlling the decisions here in just a second, okay? And I don't need to because it's an in-hand Gilbreth shuffle, okay? So I turn to the spectator and say, okay, we're going to mix the cards further by drawing from the top or the bottom until all of the cards have been moved from my hand to the table. So do you want to draw from the top or bottom first? Top, okay? Now what? Bottom, 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 that's fine. And top, top, bottom, bottom, top, top, top again, okay, then bottom, top, bottom, top, last one goes on top. Okay, very good. And now at this point, since you chose red as your color, I'm going to push off pairs of cards. If the top card is red, I'll give it the pair to you. If the top card is black, I'll keep that pair, okay? So it's black, so that's my pair. What about over here? Okay, that's red on top, you get that pair. Black, I keep it. Black, I keep it. Red, you get that pair. Black, I get that one. Red, you get that one. Red, you get that one. I think you got more pairs than I did, which is fine. Okay. And now at this point, we need to choose a random even number and a random odd number between 1 and 8, let's say. So why don't we have you choose a random even number between 1 and 8? You want 4? Okay. And so I'll choose a random odd number between 1 and 8. Maybe I'll go with 3. Okay. In fact, I'm going to show you what you'll need to do with your number 4 in just a second. So I chose 3 as my random odd number. So what I would do is just move 1, 2, 3 cards to the bottom. You chose 4 as your random even number. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that. And now I need you to randomly stack these. You want yours on top of mine? Okay, very good. Now to finish, I'm just going to deal out the cards to you first, which is customary to deal to the opponent first. Just common courtesy, I think. Okay. And now at this point, I just want to remind you, of course, again, what color did you freely choose for yourself? And it was red, of course, leaving me black. So despite all of the random choices made by you, and if you think back to the choices you made throughout this routine, you'll realize that they are substantial. The ending state of the cards is very much determined by and influenced by the choices that you freely made. But nonetheless, your random card color of red for yourself and black for me, let's see how you did. Okay, so what's the color of your top card here? Oh, it's red. That was the card color you chose. Oh, you designated black for me. What about your next one? Oh, that's red as well. And black for me. That's amazing. You got another red. A black for me. This is impossible. Black. Oh, I cannot believe this. How in the world did you just make this perfect series of choices that have divided the cards yet again into the card color you wanted, namely red, leaving me the black cards? You are amazing at choice making. Whoa, how did you do that? Well, of course, the spectator won't have a clue how they did it, but the fact is this will work as shown here every single time. Now, I've explained the Gilbreth shuffle already, that those are free choices where they're pulling from the top or the bottom repeatedly. So just do that. That will be a Gilbreth shuffled packet. From there, I can add a few notes in the description below explaining some of the intermediate steps as to what's happening with the packet structure. And one other subtlety, it is important when you get to this point where you've given them the pairs where there's a red card on top, you remember that? And any of the pairs where the top card is black was given to me. It is important that they choose a random even number between, let's say, 1 and 8, and I'll choose a random odd number. Because what it will do is it'll bring our two packets in sync, so that they will both be red-black alternating packets after those cards are moved. An even number here, an odd number here, random stack. So at that point, it's an alternating packet with a red card on top, which means, of course, if I deal to them first and then to myself, I will be dealing all of the red to them and the black to me. So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.